Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to pay someone with PayPal account. What you need to do? First, just go to paypal.com and then log in your account. Just type here your email and password and then click login. After that, just click here, pay and get paid. Send payment to. You need to enter the email or username for the person you want to send the payment to. If you already have sent payment before to that person, I have here some people that I paid before. Just you can click here. If I want to send, for example, to Trevor Car, just I click here. Otherwise, just you can type the email here if you want to send for the first time. For example, if I send to just a random email. After that, you can select the currency. If I want to send, for example, in USD, and then just you enter the amount here. For example, here in Thai baht, it's 1,000, and he will receive 28.26. And then I can add a note here. For example, if I gift for, you can write for something, birthday gift or anything. After that, just click continue. This is what you need to do if you want to pay someone with PayPal account. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.